All right, big fella, watch your step on the ramp. Nice and easy now. You've got fresh hay right here.
Let's go inside the factory of Grey Bull.
Easy, E now. Come on up. That's a good boy. Come on, Grey Bull boys. All right, boys, in you go. That's 1, 2. Looking good. All right, let's review the Grey Bull consignment.
Here are the health certificates you requested.
Perfect, everything seems to be in order.
All right, big fella, watch your step on the ramp. Nice and easy now. You've got fresh hay right here.
Radio check. Temperature set, rotation nominal, pH levels stable for the Grey Bull batch. Starting timer now. $47, $48, $49, $50, $51.
How does that tension look on the buckle stitch? Perfect, just like the others. This edge coat is smooth.
Nice.
Like, subscribe, and stay tuned.
This video is generated for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas are inspired by public info and competitor concepts that are written using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VEO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing. This is done in CapCut. We did not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.